Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been like 2 weeks since my last video, which was on August 3rd. And Joe, I talked about, some potentials in Bitcoin and what needed to kind of play out over the next 7 days. And I actually gave it an extra 7 days because it wasn't moving so much. So I'm going to show you guys what I see potentially happening right now at Bitcoin, and it's not going to look so good just looking at the chart, blank chart just as it is right now. If you guys could clearly see, it looks like a straight bear flag. Um, just waiting to crash. Like, let's just type in bear flag, right? Let's type in what a bear flag is. Let's look at an image of a bear flag. Bam, right? Like straight bear flag indicators, right? So this is just straight clear shot bear flag indicators right here, right? I mentioned last week that we need to stay above certain levels, and we currently stayed above it, but we broke down recently, and we are just looking extremely weak on all sides. If you guys could see here, let me just expand these a bit. This is the daily MACD. Looks like we're about to cross over um, to the bearish side. The stochastic RSI and the mid-level and the slow RSI look very well. They look good, to be honest. They do look good. So we do have potential to bounce off the 50% mark, just as I previously stated in the past below. In the past, if we bounce off the 50% mark, then we are good. But I think it is time for us to break down. Remember, I mentioned in my last video that we need to stay above these green arrow marks that you see right here. I'm gonna just delete them now, but we needed to stay above, we need to stay above the certain level, which I'm going to show you guys right now, which is around 25,000. We needed to break 25,000 and really hold support. Um, we are kind of holding support right now on the daily. Just let me remove this Fibonacci sequence right here so you guys can see, right? Like, so let's kind of get into it. So if we break it down, right? Sorry about this. Let me just minimize these windows for now. Right. Our previous retracement was from the bottom, right, July 12th to the top, which was the top rally at the time, which was 24,300, right, which we needed to stay above to really hold support. We came back down, we hit the golden pocket area, and then we climbed back up, which is good, right? We came back down, we retested the 0.38 level, good. Bounced back off of it, which is what we're doing now, right? Which is our current high, which was, let's just mark it down. Our previous high was 25,000, say 200, 25.2, maybe just short of it. So that was a huge resistance point for us, right? And if you watch my previous video, I mentioned that too many attempts, shows really signs of weakness. And too many attempts off what? Off the 55 exponential moving average, right? Which right now we are currently above, which is still currently bullish, very bullish indicator, right? If we stay above this 55-day exponential moving average, right? But we must stay above it. But to be honest with you guys, it does not look so sharp. Just straight off the bear flag, just off the like bear flag that we see here, right? So straight off this bear flag right here, look very very bullish. Like, that's a straight bear flag there, right? We had some indicators to it. Fibonacci going from the 12th or the 13th to the 20th of July, right? And that just kind of stayed my indicator. So we've stayed within this Fibonacci zone, right? So I don't even need to make it higher. I could just leave it as is on this one. And it kind of to me shows proof of a failed rally, because now we need to break support again, which is at 24,300. We're currently at 23,900. So we have to break support off 24,300. So we need to break above, not that big, but we really need to stay above 24,004 to 25,002, and like actually close candles there. As you guys can see, they're all kind of just wicks, just hovering and closing below. Nothing's actually closing above it, which kind of verifies to me this bearish momentum right here. So we might just like fake it. Like, it just might be a complete fake out, right? We might just go here, and then back down, and then retest, right? And then we retest. Um, but for us to show really bullish movement, we have to break above this 25,000, 25,003, 25,2. We have to stay above it. We have to close candles above this area. This is kind of bearish momentum, in my opinion. Unless we do this, right? We have to stay above this, above 25,200. You need to stay above it, at least if it's a few candle closings on the daily or whatever. But as you guys can see here on the charts, we really don't get closings like around this area right here. We're just kind of hovering around 24.3, which we've hovered too many times at. And if I add the exponential moving averages with the Bollinger Bands, you can see right now yesterday we closed under the 8 exponential moving average, and right now we're going to retest it to close above it. So I really don't see this just going too far right here. So we close above it, the following day might uh, just retest and go back down close below it, and then test the 21, and then again the 55, make it touch, and then again the 100. But we were kind of very oversold right here. So again, it's just we must stay above that area. We can't close below 23,300 right now. For us to remain bullish, we must stay above this 55-day exponential moving average, and we must close above 24,700. At least a clear candle for a daily to show signs of bullish momentum. So, I mean, literally, I haven't been changing my charts or anything. I haven't been doing anything crazy. Just really not even paying attention to the charts, because I know what they're going to do already. There's no need to, keep monitoring or keep updating you guys with updates or fake videos, right? So we see this little gap right here. Close a few candles above there. We stay above 25.2. Close a few candles from there. Then I will say that we're going to retest the 30s. But if we do not close above 24.3 in the next few days, then most likely we're going to come back down and see further retracement. You guys can see this is a clear bear flag, straight from the books. I'm not doing anything different, nothing fancy. But there you know. Thanks for watching. Peace out.